As you can see, the new IT policy of 2010 and 2015, we have made separate provisions for startups, SMEs, product companies, women, SC/STs, for incubation centers in engineering colleges and animation and gaming industry. So this is policy for one and all, and general concessions are like we are giving them concessions as in the power. There's a subsidy for the power, there's a recruitment assistance, there's an anchor client assistance, that is the first 5 anchor companies, we are giving them a 10 lakh subsidy. There is a power subsidy, there's a stamp duty reimbursement, there's an exhibition subsidy, there's a patent rights subsidy, so a lot of subsidies are there in the IT policy. We just showcase what are the facilities available in Hyderabad and the Tier 2 cities. And then each company, based on their interest and their like for the place, they go there. Generally in the Tier 2 cities, people who have studied from that area or who were born in from that area or have some sort of an affinity to that area, they come back and they go and invest. That is one type of people who go there. The other thing is the big companies, they want to expand to Tier 2 cities like Wipro and Tech Mahindra, they've gone to Visakhapatnam. Now Polaris will be going to Tirupati. So like that, some of the companies, they want to further expand into Tier 2 cities, but generally it is the son of the soil concept. They want to go back to their native place. The Jawahar Knowledge Centers, we have about 700 Jawahar Knowledge Centers. That is all these engineering colleges. We have these centers where the students are trained to suit the needs of the industry. So we interact very close with the HRs of the IT companies, and these people again interact with the colleges, and we provide free training for the poor students, SC, ST, BC and minorities, and even OCs, the poor students are trained by the IT department from the first year onwards, so that by the time they reach the final year, they match the standards of a boy or a girl from an urban area, and then we match them to the companies. And so far 25,000 students from rural areas have got jobs in the IT companies, and especially you'll be happy to know companies like Infosys, they have taken large number in TCS, Wipro, Accenture, and several companies, they have taken boys and girls. And the highest salary a boy from a rural area has got is about 5.5 lakhs. And we have regular interactions once in 3 months with the HR and the colleges as well as our department to see that they keep matching the requirements of the industry. Knowledge centers, the colleges, they are going, seeing the success of the college. Initially colleges were not coming forward. Now seeing the success of the program, lot of colleges are getting enrolled in the Jawahar Knowledge program. And in fact, in the publicity also they are saying we are part of the JKC program, because students feel that if this college is covered under JKC, they'll find jobs immediately.